Hi children, welcome back to our interactive session. So before we move on to today's topic, let us have a short recap on topics which we have seen in last session. So what did we see? So we saw about parts of the plants. So roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits are parts of a plant. In this lesson, we are going to see about two functions of system. One is root system and the next one is stem system. So last session we saw about root system. So what is root system? It helps a plant to grow under the soil. There are four functions in root system. So first one is fixation, which helps the plant to fix firmly into the soil. The next one is absorption, where the roots can absorb water and necessary mineral salts. The third one is storage, where few plants will store excess food in their roots. And the last one is prevention of soil erosion, where the roots will prevent from soil erosion by holding the plant tightly to topsoil. Today we are going to start with shoot system. So generally the shoot system has stem, branches, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds. So when you look onto this picture, the down portion inside the mud is called the root system. The upper one of a plant is called as shoot system, where you can see the stem, leaves, fruits, flowers. So this is called as shoot system. So now then we are going to see about the functions of shoot system. So the first function is it makes the plant to stand upright. So the shoot system will hold the plant to stand upright. So usually stem has branches, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits and seeds. So this shoot system helps to carry water and mineral salts to leaves. So from roots, the stem will carry the water and necessary mineral salts to other parts of the plants. So when you see in few plants, a part of stem will grow under the ground and it stores the excess of food. They are called as underground stem, or a new term called tuber. Let's see in detail about tuber. See, tuber is nothing but it's an underground stem that store excess food, and you can see only in the underground stem. When you look onto this picture, you can see the roots over here, and this thick part is called as the stem through which, and this is called as tuber. So tubers are seen underground, and this is a part of a shoot system. Now that I have shown an example of a potato plant where the shoot system is in the underground and this is called as a tuber. Likewise, potato, we have few plants called yam, ginger and turmeric will also has this type of shoot system. So what is tuber? Tuber is nothing but an underground stem that stores excess food. Our next part of shoot system is leaves. As we all know, there are different types of leaves. It might be small, it might be big. In this, we are going to see the functions of leaf. So, as we all know, leaves prepare their own food, and hence it is called as a food factory of a plant. In simple term, in our family, we usually cook in kitchen. Hence, in a simple term, it is also termed as kitchen of a plant. Leaves have tiny pores called stomata. So, stomata is a breathing part of a plant. You must have read in your previous classes, which helps to take in carbon dioxide. So what plants will take in? Plants will take in carbon dioxide and it will give out oxygen. So these veins in the leaves will carry the necessary water and minerals to the leaves. Usually, leaves have a green substance called chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL. So, this green substance in a leaf is called as chlorophyll, and it helps in prepare the food in a leaf. And the preparation of their own food is called as photosynthesis. PHOTOSYNTHESIS, photosynthesis. I'll explain you in detail about photosynthesis. Usually, the plants will prepare their own food. So, how they are preparing? See, with the help of sunlight, water and necessary minerals, the plants can prepare their food, and it is called as starch. STARCH. As I told you, all leaves have green substance called chlorophyll. So with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, water and all the necessary minerals, they can prepare their own food called starch. STARCH. Can photosynthesis happen in night time? Definitely no. It's because sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. So usually photosynthesis will happen only during the daylight. It's because sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. So let us have a short recap on today's topic. Today's topic is shoot system. In shoot system, we saw about stem and leaves. So what is the function of stem? It makes the plant to stand upright. And stem has leaves, branches, fruits, flowers and seeds. So this stem helps to carry water and minerals to leaves for preparation of their food. In few plants, you can see the underground stem, and that is called as tuber. So what is tuber? Tuber is nothing but they are underground stem that store excess of food. Example, potato, ginger, yam, turmeric. We also saw about leaves. So what is the function of leaf? They will prepare their food. Hence it is called as food factory or kitchen of a plant. Leaves have tiny pores called stomata which helps them to breathe. So what they will breathe? They will take in carbon dioxide and they will release oxygen. Leaves have green substance called chlorophyll. So this chlorophyll helps in the process of photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of preparing their own food. So what it is necessary for the photosynthesis? Oxygen, sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and necessary minerals. So this photosynthesis will happen only during daytime. It's because sunlight is must for photosynthesis. We will see the rest of the topic in our next session. Before we close on to the topic, I want you all to repeat the word ball words. Soil, S-O-I-L, soil. Functions, F-U-N-C-T-I-O-N-S, functions. Fixation, F-I-X-A-T-I-O-N, fixation. Absorption, A-B-S-O-R-P-T-I-O-N, absorption. Storage, S-T-O-R-A-G-E, storage. Children, kindly repeat after me. Soil erosion, S-O-I-L, soil erosion, E-R-O-S-I-O-N, erosion. Mineral salts, M-I-N-E-R-A-L, mineral salts, S-A-L-T-S, salts. Displacement, D-I-S-P-L-A-C-E-M-E-N-T, displacement. Shoot system, S-H-O-O-T, shoot system, S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. Upright, U-P-R-I-G-H-T, upright. Tuber, T-U-B-E-R, tuber. Chlorophyll, C-H-L-O-R-O-P-H-Y-L-L, chlorophyll. Starch, S-T-A-R-C-H, starch. Photosynthesis, P-H-O-T-O-S-Y-N T-H-E-S-I-S, photosynthesis. Topsoil, T-O-P SOIL, topsoil. Children, we will see the rest of the topic in our next session. Stay safe. Bye.